Meanwhile, we are about Gene series, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bramo. Eye Kitty, what to be a money, Eye Baumia, what I said one data, Eye Nakufo, so with the near break, when I say when I rest about in Tiamao, and Nakwe and Assembly. Now, Saturday and Assembly in Ababa, Mr. Said, so we now subscribe to the channel now, Mr. Said, over subscribe. Whatever I say, over click the subscribe button. Now, a very notification when it's a video piano or so as a ever can be. After we are like the video, give us a thumbs up. Now, share my awful for sooner when you need our work. After Yambura and Simino. A year can be Tilla, and Yabre, a year Baumiafu. Now, Baumia was over a pro, and I walk at them who was a 1 and 2 hours again. What before you see a data, yes, and 2 about more. In anyway, not for a race, I can't say about you on the pin there. Now we are one in my 100 sub and TRS. Now, about me, I can be also catch on some drama. Coffee, what that I'm more used to Madame Pro, must say all my life. Also, I say, yes, I'm to about a mamma, and the can tell about far about me on channel. Now, what the ensemble go now in Artuga. And Tentamara, you a year Kevin Tilla catching tea and somehow the FIA not performance and singing. Any campaign here about me, a year, and then some what they Artuga into.
Yet to Chroma. Your negligence is a slap in the face to our dedication. Napko for say, Mahamudu Baumia and Nam Ghana catch a Ghana for someone to Abamano. Napko for say, O Baumia, you're true for only their own canocre. You wasted our lives. Yet now, Kruma, would die, you can't quasiasem. What's that cow home catch a Ghana for say, Omun to Abamao. Napko for say, oh, you're Ghana ni, now to Abaumia, why do you need Juma? Napkufo na Baumia dada omono ende omo aba bontene ka kire mo se we Ghana ni na sa wogi Baumia di sa wokoto abama Baumia na wankasa ne sebi wadwene ne enifie. Why should any reasonable person omo na ye form Napko 2017 or say 18 or say den na say now almost 30 years and almost say almost 40 years we waste your life. He gave these people false hope. He created something and put in their head to say, Waba obe change your mabrabo, not knowing Baumia was just using them for politics. And the NPP, you know, they use people. NPP does not care. The NPP, the only party that can develop Ghana, ANDC. I'm telling you, go around the country and see. The only political party in Ghana that can do what? That can develop Ghana, ANDC. Maybe NPP didn't make a show. NPP na joining no. They joining NPP because of development. They joining NPP because they feel say e nipa chamo mo NDC mu. And no. 90% of us say NPP for no. Now you joining NPP because you be university, you be hospitals, you be factories. So you joining NPP because you felt to say nipa na mo NDC mu no. Omo ye den lower citizens. Yenene ye account for enter for and for krobo for enzima for joining NDC. So we joining NDC. It wasn't about development. Majority of omo ya account for to say me. We are part of the NPP not because ye per se a Ghana. It is because ye we who say group we ni wom. Sa we mu de omo ye lesser citizens. And nothing NPP mu. It is not about the development. And you check here. Between the NPP and NDC, you know, the NDC is always looking out for Ghanaians, trying to build hospitals for them, schools for them, trying to change their lives. But the NPP is always looking at making sure, say, when they are counting the people, some people are counted as first-class citizens and others are counted as what? Lesser citizens. Into what the NPP stands for, say, selective. They are basically tribalistic. 90% of Nippon Tuabama NPP, Omon Tuaba because of development. Ya Tuaba, meme ya kanina mekachro. Be fantini. Yenina NDC MPP 4, Yania Kamfu NPP mo. The reason tia Tuaba na ya juni se kotokone has match, and because of impuntio. Entiment now will be medadao. Enka se MPP no, yet say bechiche Ghana. Na unanti Ghana hen your own say MPP is hospital bako. 1992. From UP. NLM, what is the MPPC hospital da? And you will be foolish to say part way na me DHD, didn't know DHD. Since say MPP from 1992 be seen there, what is the NPPC hospital da? Ah, nipa kuma kwa jaya alsa. What be da? Me say, "Wow, I share me own permission. I get it. I don't care. Me, I'm not going to beg you to go vote for NDC. But me say, oh, see, so we are Ghana near 30 years, 25 years, 30 years, 35 years, 40 years. That ben I call Reggie Mika say MPP the see hospital way. Now ya ko obi awurema kwaja yaresa. What be that? Oh dear. These people are not governing because they want to help you. They are governing because a group bia. They are tribal bigots. You see what I mean? They think say that is why they are all moving to that side. It is not because Ghana betterment in any day. Because a political party almost started in 1992 democratic governance. Now say they want to be pointed to one regional hospital. Wow, we see ya nipa kuma. Now when you're a political party, you are a criminal cartel. Because what about Abemu 16 years? To see one regional hospital. NDC from 1992, ABC 2024. You can count the number of hospitals they have built, number of schools they have built. Senya omaye insio, bridges omaye, basic schools omasisi, e-blocks, universities. They are all over the place. You can count them. Equine. Now, Cham said the same party almost in 1992, ABC 2024. You cannot point to one single regional hospital. Oh, catch them so a political party. What about them? You are a criminal cartel. You are a tribal party. You don't care about the people. Sanka person convince me crampo and mamika say okay, on your tribal. Na sebio munim nyansa kakra. Anka wanka sa region crampo no. Or sanka ultimately pointed to one regional hospital. Awesi. You get what I mean? Yanka say mempe MPP for asem. Betan MPP for. Intinka wanka sa regional. Sebio mo say hona mo chechire party no. Or sanka ultimately chire me one region, one hospital. Mwesia nipa wurum ekwaja yaresa pie. Yetumi busa a whole regional minister say. Regional minister ka eye nyoma enumpe ya no Ashanti region.
I want to understand something. Is it a project or what then this for 12 so inherited? Good, inherited. The question for the sake of time, a specific question. Jena momo sha sia within the 8-year period ya kamwase. Then I'm mobile 2017. See, and you with me, Yama Santaman, Mashasa 2017, 2024, maybe. What are the projects? Which you have 5 and
zip line.
Okay. Zip line.
Yes.
Okay.
Drone. We.
Zip line is the national thing. Zip line drones.
It's regional specific.
Exactly.
Is it not in Ashanti? In Ashanti.
Okay.
Muslim girls.
That is a school.
Yes,
that is same. Okay.
By the end of this month, no, April, we won't say clean Abelandewo International Airport.
It's the airport in the TV.
Yes.
Okay. So what about zip line? What about STEM school? What about some channel? What about airport? What about TV?
Baby and mother unit now until Rebecca is our project.
Okay. Let's see 4.
Yeah. You are trying to get the other. You are trying to get the other ones in account.
No, says zip line. On very so down here MPP ni. Wako school ya crachi ni sem you call tech. And yet tribe and kabidi party wechi. Imagine say akwa we or two and another zip line ni and NDC minister and a regional minister or yes I do we went to mambo and kadena kabeka. We jimintra. Because one person do tribe beto nchen what say Ghana ni echichire. Imagine say sa akwa champagne and another zip line ojina kan kwasa sem ya ontumi mbo nyoma du. Nyoma num MPP on Asante memu no. Imagine say sa nipo na nkoye NDC ni kan anu asman ka beti no groma. Ma kire mo say yene dodo na e MPP na nya Ghana ntira wo. A tribe ntira ye hu omo NDC mu so omo nya Ghana fo omo ye moa omo nya dipa te say ye ne eno ano no problem ni nyina ano no obi a whole regional minister Asante memu the stronghold of the NPP ontuma mbo nyoma num now that what Asante memu sam ye ohene me hira MPP na wanka so ye okay o ye sofo o se me ti Asante memu me hira ena ende yare bo wo ba ye ne be ko he moti krom ho ma otumfo sresra de se sebio obi o te charge asore da ho ohene kese mu a wabetena nipem esresre sika o de koye konfo no chi Bawumia Otia Bemum Fio Watchi, or Basantimea, Watan 500,000 Ghana cedis, Adakoma Black Stars. One guy is a Black Stars, Omuhiska. Mapomudine is Suana and Kodisi Karakoya Confornochino, or say Asantifo de Mumbi Mweji Minti. You say the appointees who are MPP won't care about my health. Most of them are doing it and chin. Hey, Baomiabo, or China Ochoba, one ebe yamon, a hina wokoda. And then Jamaica say, Memi Akeni or Wunya Kenny Jamio. Yenina Johnny MPP and Korabrim. We knew the reason why we were part of the NPP. And yet because of Impunto, it was because we felt to say, Yaya can form Quadia, Yenimian Sachenko Fu, and no. We no omunyiranim.
You waiting for where and some KT can tell I did to Diana who said some of Baumia as I said not before to Abama and who some not KT Eddie at to Jawa to be a money every before now what they and some do go now at to the guy was GCD so and our so we unsubscribe or yeah. Let's just say over subscribe and I like it. Now watch a video first so a year be now what also with me actually working after some will get out who comment box in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.